Digging in to learn more about the accused killer.
Court records show Brazier had a history of alleged abuse. He was charged with harassment in 1994. Those charges were later dismissed by a judge. In 2005, De Rivera filed for protection from abuse. In April of last year, she filed again for protection, and then this past March, she filed a restraining order.
Now, Rachel Wilkerson is closely following this case. She was on scene shortly after those three victims were found dead yesterday.
Today, she spoke to investigators to try to get some answers as to why these violent crimes took place.
Around 1:45 Sunday afternoon, dispatchers received a call from a woman who said Darwin Brazier texted her admitting to killing three people.
Evidence collected at the scene indicates that Brazier fired 30 rounds of 7.62 by 39 at the victims with an SKS rifle equipped with a detachable 30-round magazine.
The search for Brazier went on for 5 hours with the help of Madison County Sheriff's Office until he was found dead near his home.
I can't say enough how the communication and operations of that search were improved by the level of cooperation between the agencies.
Investigators say domestic violence was the culprit.
It's a cycle that tends to escalate, and unfortunately in this situation it was fatal.
There was a list of criminal and civil complaints and a history of court cases. Deborah Rivera filed a protection from abuse order but was denied by a judge.
Unfortunately, no matter what you do, there are always going to be instances that slip through the cracks. There are always going to be cases where, something didn't get pushed through or something didn't get reported right, or, and we try to minimize that as much as possible.
Putting the Valley first, Rachel Wilkerson, WZDX News.
If you or someone you know is in an abusive situation, call the Crisis Services North Alabama hotline at 256-716-1000. You can also call the Alabama statewide domestic violence hotline at 1-800-650-6522.